Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have another pattern for you. As you can see here, I use that pattern for start or edge, but it's up to you if you want to use any kind of another ribs. And also another things I have to talk between the pattern I need 4 rows, but it's optional. If you want to have more space between the pattern, you can knit 6 rows, or if you want to be near each other, you can knit 2 rows. Let's get started. For the pattern, we need to have multiple of 6 plus 3 plus 2 for edge. Whatever you use as a edge. After that, we have to, for the first row, we are going to just knit all stitches. And as I told you, you decide to have 2 rows between the pattern or 4 rows or more. Next row also we are going to pull all stitches, because in this case I'm going to have 4 rows between the pattern. So I'm going to continue 2 more rows, and I'll be back because the pattern is going to be start from the wrong side of the work. I already knitted 4 rows. Now I am in row 5. As I told you, the pattern is going to be start in the wrong side of the work. What we have to do, we are going to take the first one, and then I'm going to knit 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. I leave my yarn at the back side and then slip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and repeat by knit 3 stitches, then make sure your yarn is on at the back side, then slip 3 stitches. You do it this way until the end of the row. And the last one as a edge we are going to knit. Row 6, what we have to do, we are going to knit all stitches. We are going to knit all stitches until the end of the row, and I'll be back. I already finished this row. When we go to the next row, we are going to repeat the pattern again by knit 3, then slip 3 stitches. Again, knit 3, slip, knit 3 stitches, slip, and knit 3 stitches, and the last one. This row you are going to Again, knit all the stitches. This is optional. You can knit like that, or maybe you can knit like that, whatever you like. So as you can see here, I repeat 2 rows the same pattern, and the first one is up here. I'm going to show you in a few seconds how it looks like. As you can see here, you have the pattern like this. Next row, as I told you, we are going to have 4 rows normal repeat to make another pattern. What we have to do, just in this row, we are going to pull all stitches, and I repeat 2 more rows, because I told you in this case there are 4 rows between the pattern. But if you want to have only 2 rows or more, you can knit more rows if you like. I'll be back when I knit 2 more rows. As you can see here, I knitted 4 rows. Now it's time to change the pattern. As you can see here in row 5, I start by knit 3 slip stitch. Now in this row, what we have to do, we are going to change the position of the pattern. It means that in the beginning, when I take the first one, take my yarn at the back side and start to make a slip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then I knit 3 stitches. Again, time to slip stitch 3, then knit. And repeat this one until the end of the row and the last stitch. Now when it comes in front side of the word, we are going to just knit all stitches. I told you you can choose whatever you want, like this or like this. It's up to you, which one is easier for you. And for the next row, like row 7, we are going to repeat the pattern again. Like this. We are going to repeat the pattern again by just the beginning, slip stitch 3, knit 3. Three, slip stitch. If you repeat row 5 until this row, we are going to oh, maybe I missed something here. One more, and then 1, 2, 3, and like that. This row again, we are going to knit all the stitches. If you repeat row 5 until this row, you are going to have a pattern like this. As you can see here, between each rows of pattern I knitted 4 rows, and then I changed the position in each row. When it's 3 knitted, then slip, when it's slip, 3 knitted. This is the front side of the work, and this is the back side. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.